Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will show you a tasty spicy tomato chutney which is perfect for idli, dosa, chapatis and even a hot rice. You want to take a half kg of tomato and slice them. If you want more quantity, you can take the 1 kg of tomato and cut it them. In the pan, we need to dry roast the fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds in the medium flame. After that, take a pan and add the 4 to 5 spoons of oil into the pan. After oil become hot, add the sliced tomatoes into that and little bit of turmeric. Mix it well and close the pan. After it becomes soft and spongy, until that we need to fry in the oil. After that, transfer it into the jar and grind it. And transfer it into the bowl. Also, we need to grind the fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds with a powder and add the chili powder to the paste and salt for the taste and turmeric powder. And at last we need to add the powder of that mustard and fenugreek seeds and mix it well. At last, take a pan and add a 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and add mustard seeds to the oil and add the chili, like dry chili and curry leaves and garlic. After that, add that paste into the pan. Mix it well until all oil should absorb. After it became cold, you can transfer it into the jar. It will stay almost 2 to 3 months. See guys, a tasty spicy tomato is ready. You can serve with a hot rice. Even if you want to, if you taste with the idli and dosa, you can try with that also. At last, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Share with your family members so they can try with this amazing tasty spicy tomato. Thank you all.